You guys, good morning. How's my hair? Alright, it's bedhead, I know. I can explain. Stella, do you like my hair? My hair was turning into Stella's. Come here, Stella, show them your hair. Let's see. Stella Bella! Yeah, I was getting Stella hair. I literally cut it myself. Anyways, fill you in more about that later. I just wanted to say happy Sunday. I have lots to do, but I wanted to say hi to you first. Alright, I was gonna watch OJ, but I got bored. Maybe we'll get back to that. Decided it's one of these kind of days. Do you guys like this stuff? Anyways, we're gonna bless this house. It sure needs it. I wanted to show you guys. It's raining. Come on, Stella. Like she's not coming. You know what's great about having a dog that's not yours? It's just great. On Stelly Valley. Look at this. Ah! What do you think? This is the Bay Area. We're gonna get let out. Okay. OJ, we'll get back to you. I've been watching, everything's breaking around here. In my drawer. Getting new locks again, because I don't know how to fix this crap. The refrigerator, though, you guys. It took me a year, because I knew the fridge wasn't going to fit. I just knew it. Because the problem is the height. When I bought this house, first fridge I got, didn't fit, so they had to pick it up. I ended up with this floor model that I didn't like. Anyways, I knew this was going to be an issue. I told them at Costco, do not bring this inside if it's not going to fit. They're like, it's gonna fit. You cannot even put a gallon of milk or anything stand up. You can't move the shelf. This is the cheapest, flimsiest shelf I've ever seen. It's Stelly. She doesn't like it either. Hold my hand. Hold my hand. This fridge thing is tough. I love you. Now, it's even better. The ice. This door just doesn't close. And that doesn't open. Anyways, they're picking it up on Stelly. Hold my hand. Hold their hand too. They're picking it up next Thursday. My girl Ivory, Michelle, is going to pick the new fridge. Doesn't really matter. Because now it's not my job, it's hers. My only job is to return this. And then it's not on my plate anymore. If I can't find one that we like, by Thursday I'm just gonna buy a mini. In the meantime, I'm gonna paint. Who likes to paint? I don't use other people's art. I like to use my own. I made this my painting room. Oh, she went out in the rain. Look, I went and tanned. I forgot my towel out. Now it's raining. That's the bay view for today. Stella, you want to come in? Come on. You don't want to go out there. Our feet are going to be on that. What are you guys doing today? Yeah, this is going to be my painting room. Now that I'm empty nesting, I'm getting rid of everything's going. I went through my closet last night. I have very little clothes. Everything I own is right here. That's it. These are my clothes. If you have more clothes than this, throw them away. Donate them. I have a jacket, a couple pairs of shoes, You know these are my faves. Actually, these are, but they're falling apart. Here. I just wanted to say good morning and aloha. Stella will hold your hand too. We love you. You guys have a great day.